Welcome to today's session on Java programming for beginners. In this session, we are going to discuss the topic loop statement supported by Java programming language. Java programming language support the three types of loop statement. One is while loop, second one is do while loop, third one is for loop. These are the loop statement supported by a Java programming language. The loop statement are used in a programming language when the programmer want to execute the certain set of statement or statement repeatedly. In that case, a loop statement is used. Instead of writing the same statement number of times in a source code, the programmer can write that statement inside the loop statement so that that statement is get executed repeatedly number of times inside a programming language. Here Java provides three looping structure. One is for loop, second one is while loop, third one is do while loop. Here we start from first the while loop. While loop is also a loop statement supported by a Java programming language, which is used to execute a statement repeatedly in a Java programming language. The general syntax of general syntax of while loop is shown here. While condition, then you have to specify a statement. If programmer want to write more than one statement as a part of while loop, then programmer has to use the opening and closing curly bracket. In that, programmer can write more than one statement. If programmer want to write single statement as a part of while loop, then no need to use the opening and closing curly bracket. Here, the statement written inside the while loop are get executed up to the condition is true. Once a condition is false, then execution of while loop is get terminated and execution control is transferred out of the while loop. Here we can see that the while loop is a pre-test loop, because in while loop, first a condition is checked or Boolean expression is checked. If Boolean expression or conditional statement return a true value, then statement written inside the while loop are get executed. If Boolean expression or test condition of while loop is false, then execution control directly transfer out of the loop. That's why it is called as a pre-condition statement. In while loop, the statement written inside the while loop are get executed 0 or more number of times. If at first time, if condition is false, then no statement written inside the while loop is get executed. In while loop, if condition is not properly specified or if condition is not get false at some instant, then the statement written inside the while loop are get executed number of times, or you can say that infinite number of times, so that in that case the while loop is called as infinite loop. To make it as a finite loop, in that case the condition inside the while loop must be get terminated. Once it is get terminated, then and then only the execution of the while loop is get stopped. Here the flowchart of while loop is shown here. In the flowchart of while loop, when a Boolean expression is true, then statement inside the while loop is get executed. And again it will check whether the Boolean expression is true. If yes, then again it will execute a statement written inside the while loop. And then again it will check for Boolean expression. If Boolean expression returns a true value, then again it will execute a statements of the while loop, and again it will check for a Boolean expression. If at certain instant, if the Boolean expression return a false value or test condition is false, then the execution control transferred out of the while loop, and execution of while loop is get terminated at that point. Then here the example of while loop is shown here. In this example, the initial value of number variable is specified in the declaration statement as a 1. Here condition while statement is specified, while the condition is specified number is less than or equals to 5. Means whatever statement are written inside the while loop are get executed for number in between 1 to 5. That is, hello message is get printed for a number in between 1 to 5. And here the value of number is getting incremented by 1 for each iteration of while. Once the value of number is greater than 5 is 6, then this condition is get false. Once the condition specified inside the while loop is false, then execution control is transferred out of the while loop, and it will print or execute a statement which are written outside the for loop. This is the example of while loop. Then the example here, the for loop here, the for loop while loop here, the while loop flowchart is shown here. Okay, here the initial value of number is 1. Okay, it will check for the number is less than 5, less than or equals to 5. If yes, then it will print a hello message and add number 1, add 1 to number 1, add 1 to number, and it again check for the condition. If number is less than or equals to 5, yes, it will print a message hello and again increment the value of number. Okay, this one is happen up to the value of number is less than or equals to 5. Once the value of number variable is become 6, then this condition, this Boolean condition or Boolean expression is becomes false. When it is false, then it will execute a statement which are written outside the while loop, or it will transfer control outside the for loop, while loop, sorry. This is about the flowchart of while loop. The next one is infinite loop. When the while loop is becomes an infinite loop, when the condition or test condition written inside the while loop does not return a false value. In that case, the while loop is becomes an infinite loop. The statement written inside the while loop are get executed infinite number of times, so that a condition is not get false. Once a condition is get false, then only the execution control transfer out of the while loop, and it will execute a statement which is present outside the while loop. Here the example of infinite loop is shown here. Here initial value of x is 20. The condition is specified inside the while is x greater than 0. Okay, and it will print a message x is greater than 0. Okay, this message is get printed infinite number of times because value of x variable is not get changed. Is always a 20, means is not get decreased, so that it is 0, so that it is less than 0. It is less than 0. Okay, so that the value of due to the value of number is always greater than 0, means this condition is get always satisfied. Due to that, the statement written inside the while loop are get executed infinite number of times. Here, to transfer the infinite loop into finite loop, in that case, we have to decrement the value of x by 1 for each iteration of the while loop. Okay, after printing the message x greater than 0 20 times, then it will decrement the value by x. It becomes, when the value of x becomes 0, when value of x becomes 0, then this condition is get false. Once this condition is false, then execution control is transferred out of the loop. Means here the statement written inside the while loop is get executed 20 times from x equals to 20 to x equals to 1. 20 times this statement is get executed. Once the value of x is 0, then it will terminate the execution of while loop and transfer the control out of the while loop. Then Bullock statement in while loop. When programmer want to write more than one statement in a while loop, in that case, the programmer has to use opening and closing curly bracket after the while. If programmer want to write only one statement as a part of while, then no need to use the opening and closing curly bracket. Then here one application of while loop is shown here. While loop for input validation. Okay, here in this example, if user enters the number, in between less than 1 or greater than 100, if user enters the number if less than 1 and greater than 100, then input is invalid. If user enters the number in between 1 to 100, if user enters the number in between 1 to 100, 1 to 99, if user enters the number in between 1 to 100, then input is valid. Otherwise, if user enters the number less than 1 or greater than 100, then input is invalid. So that it will display a message, enter the number in the range of 1 through 100. Okay, this is the one application of while loop for input validation. The next one is do while loop. Do while loop is a second form of loop statement supported by a Java programming language. Do while loop is a post-test loop statement in which first condition is checked, then statements first in do while loop, first statements are executed, then condition is checked. Whereas in while loop, first condition is checked, then statement is executed. That's why while is called as pre-test and do while is called as post-test loop statement. In do while loop, the statement are get executed one or more times, whereas in while loop, statement are get executed 0 or more times. Here the form of while loop is shown here. Do set of statements, then while. Do while. Okay, here first statement is get executed, then it will check the condition. If condition is false, then it will stop the execution of the statement. If condition is true, then it will again execute a statement which are written inside the do while. Here the flowchart of do while is shown here. In the flowchart of do while, the first statement is executed, then condition is checked. If condition is true, then again statement is executed, then condition is checked. If condition is false, then execution of do while loop is get stopped and execution control is transferred out of the for loop. Here the example of the do while is shown here. Do while, okay, here do first, whatever statement are written inside the do while is get executed first. Okay, then the condition is checked. The statement written inside the do while are get executed up to the condition is specified inside the while loop is true. Once the condition is false, then it will stop the execution of the do while loop. If user enters the character other than capital Y or small y, then execution of do while loop is get stopped. In this session, we discussed here significance of loop statement in a Java programming language. We discussed the two loop statement. One is while loop statement, do while loop statement, and its example. So that in this point, we'll stop here. Thank you.